What's up everyone? Today I'm showing you how to make an avocado serrano salsa. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Mexican Cooking Academy, where we celebrate Mexican food culture and cuisine. For years now, I've been very passionate about Mexican food culture, and in 2020, I decided to make the move from California to Mexico to learn all I can about Mexican food and bring it out to the rest of the world. And that's what we're doing today. Today, I'm showing you how to make avocado creamy salsa with serrano chilies. This salsa is amazing. It's a very easy salsa to make. It's a raw salsa, so make sure all your ingredients are very clean and properly washed. But for this recipe, you're going to want to have 1 avocado, 20 grams of fresh cilantro, 70 milliliters of lime juice, 3 grams of salt, and 2 serrano chilies. As always, you'll find this recipe down in the description. And while you're there, hit that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. It's gonna really help me out, and it's gonna let you know whenever there's new content being posted. Now for this recipe, you can use either 2 serrano chilies or 2 jalapeno chilies, or 1 of each. It doesn't really matter. It has to do with what your preferences are and how much spiciness you want in your chilies. Personally, I prefer to remove the seeds, but if you like the extra kick, then leave the seeds in there. Just the only thing you need to do is remove the stems of the chilies. I also sliced my avocado lengthwise and crosswise to get a more consistent texture and consistency when blending these ingredients together. Next, combine all the raw ingredients into a blender and pulse everything until it's perfectly smooth. That's all there is to it. Save the salsa in the fridge for about a week to 2. It should keep very well with all the lime that we've added in here. You can serve it with chicken tostadas, maybe some potato or chorizo tacos, or if you're feeling really adventurous, make some char grilled beef rib tacos, and it's gonna go really well with that. Because it's also very similar in texture to guacamole, you can also use it in substitute of guacamole as a dip. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit that thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button. Also, make your way over to Mexican Cooking Academy and sign up for my newsletter. That's gonna let you know whenever new content is posted first, and I'm gonna give you some exclusive access to content as it comes up. Also, if you have any questions about this recipe, leave me a comment down below. I get back to everybody, and let me know what you thought of this, or if you have any questions about this recipe or some of the other ones. That's all I got for you today. Until next time, live long and prosper. And also, if you're a Star Trek fan, hit me up down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you, and I want to hear which one is your favorite Star Trek series. And I hope it is, well, let's see.